Okay, guys, look what I got. Yeah, we're doing some KSMR, but okay, wait a minute. I need to find this. Yep, I just put this on. Yeah. First thing, which I think let's check out this. Yeah, stickers. I think I want this one. We don't really have paper, so I'll just glue it. Oh yes, I'm getting it the whole body. Putting it under here. There we go. Pikachu. No, it's not Pikachu.
Not there, you know.
Yes, but I don't.
Something in your stuff.
Let's see.
You can remove that one. No, not there, I said. Donia! Donia!
Pila na mag-birthday? Pila na mag-bago pa?
I like them.
Ay, kayo mo.
What one's the one?
Oh, dele.
I'll give him a magical one.
Ate ko may pita kayo. Birthday na. Birthday nyo niya, no? Bayaran nyo.
Hapit na 50 euro lang.
Oo.
I need to film it. Yes, so. It's actually like a part.
So, ano ka kapagawa na yung tinda, no?
Then, pa-gel pa.
Oh no, I just ripped it. That's okay.
Modern na ako mong alagang 30 karta mga Latin pasta.
Oo.
Oh, tapos
La 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 la.
bang ito pag nagagawin mas matwa 15 euro bang ang dadala kong makanilo sa paknito.
Oo, ang tamas 15 mo.
Oo, at saka aliwa mo naman yung kalubong mo. Oh, tapos chicheria. Ito ang pang merienda mo. Oh, tapos chicheria. Sana akong damos polya.
Ha 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 ha.
Patin kaya kayo.
Okay, so now let's quickly check out. Look at this. Look at this.
Look
at that. Look at this.
Gawa na, ito ka na po na.
Ma, Pikachu!
Oo. Saka nang tinating.
Tamurong mo yun.
Loria!
Okay, look at this one. I think, is it a Pikachu or not?
Lilia,